this tournament was a great tournament, you know, hosted by Simi Anderson. Simi always does a great job bringing the Lynn community out. He has a tournament in the summertime that, you know, everybody comes out. And this one tonight was put together by, you know, Simi and my brother Kazi Rocket, my twin. So there was like, what better way to bring the people together from all around the Northeastern Conference.
Coaching the kids in this type of tournament, one, it's fun because I mean these are kids I never coached before. Some of them play for me, so I learned a lot from them. And it's just fun out there seeing them compete.
These are all my friends. I played with them a few times in AAU and high school basketball. It felt good being here and actually playing with them except against them.
It's a privilege, man, being around all these young kids. You know, my nephew plays on the team. He goes to Andover High School, and his best friend, and all the kids from the Merrimack Valley to the Northeastern Conference. You know, I know them. I know all of them. You know, I coach some of them in the summertime and stuff like that, and they're great kids. And this is a great program tonight.
It was great. Before I got here, I went to a wake. My man Billy G from Lowell, he passed away, so it was tough. I was crying all day. I came here, had a ball out from Billy G.
What I like about these events like this is that, you know, everybody comes together. You know, some of the young kids that play look up to the older kids in these events and stuff like this. And you know, in a few years, they'll be the next ones doing this stuff.
We should have had the championship in the summertime, the summer tournament that Simi hosted, but you know what? We got the tournament tonight, man. Good win for us.
It feels good to win it all because like this is like my first thing, like my first big thing that Simi do us. So.
I would like to see more events like this because, you know, it's fun. The kids look forward to it all the time. They ask about it all the time, and you know, when they get out here, as you can see, they could care less if they win or lose. They just have fun.